guys, how are you all? So today I'm going to share an easy recipe of yummy cold coffee with Oreo biscuits. So I gathered some of the stuff and made this milkshake or whatever you would like to call it, and it turned out amazing. So I thought, why not share it with you all? So here I'm adding 1 packet cream, and this is called kishta. You can add any if you have others like all-purpose cream or Nestle. Then I added 1 donut ice cream. If you're making 1 or 2 cups, you can add 1 ice cream. You can add more as well. And then I added 3 packets of Oreo biscuits. Each packet had 3 Oreos, so basically I added 9 Oreo biscuits, medium sized. And here I'm going to, I've added Oreos, as you can see. And now I already made some coffee and chilled it in the refrigerator. Just add coffee and milk with some sugar. So I chilled it because I'm making cold coffee. So now I'm going to blend it. Blend. And it turned out really amazing. I'm telling you, just make it. You're not going to regret it. So now, as you can see, I added coffee, a bit stronger coffee. So now I'm adding milk in it to increase its quantity. Basically I adjusted it later. So yeah, I added more milk. You can, if you want, you can add more cream as well. And it turned out amazing. I just added some chocolate sauce in the glass, and then I turned it. And here is your yummy cold coffee. I hope you enjoyed the video.